A great product doesn't need to be advertised. People just need to hear about it. Sternsteiger is proud to introduce the new Move product line. This amazing new cookware is unique in the industry. We're excited to launch it on Kickstarter together with our community. With our new frying pan, you can cook and serve whatever you want. Whether you want to deep fry something, prepare a fine steak, or make a quick omelet, with Move, it's easy. Move combines all the best features into one pan with an ergonomic and removable handle. The handle is heat resistant and can be used in any oven up to 160 degrees without melting. Another unique feature of our pan is that the wall is curved more, which keeps the heat contained and aids in the cooking process, reducing energy demands. Its amazing heat conservation and added heat tolerance because of the thicker bottom makes our pan a game changer in this segment of the industry. Our non-stick aluminum cast pan enables fat-free cooking for your family and friends. The recently patented Tiger PTFE coating eliminates the common problem of thinning coating and gives our pan a longer lifespan. Oh, and one more thing. Other frying pans take up a lot of space, but with Move, that's history. Simply remove the handle and the pan will fit in even the smallest kitchen. Our team has tested this pan extensively under all possible conditions, and we're looking forward to your support to make yet another Sternsteiger product come to life.